aerial clashes, and something strange began happening. The dreaded Zeros, once untouchable, started to fall. Hellcat pilots weren't just surviving, they were winning, and winning big. The statistics started to emerge. Dozens of confirmed kills. Minimal losses. Pilots returning with bullet-riddled fuselages and wings that still held their shape. The Navy took notice. Commanders began to shift strategy, assigning more Hellcat squadrons to frontline carrier groups. The Pacific skies were changing. By early 1944, with the U.S. Navy preparing for its largest offensive to date, Operation Forager and the campaign for the Marianas, the Hellcat would face its true trial. Thousands of planes, dozens of carriers, entire Japanese air fleets mobilized to defend their empire's perimeter. The battle that would come to define the Hellcat was fast approaching. It would happen in June, and when it did, it would become the largest carrier-based aerial battle in history. The Navy called it the Battle of the Philippine Sea. The pilots would call it the Great Marianas Turkey Shoot, and the Hellcat, with its crazy wing design, would earn its place in history. The F-6F Hellcat's success didn't hinge on a single factor, but if one innovation stood above the rest, it was the wing. It was thicker than anything seen on a U.S. Navy fighter. Its airfoil, known as the NACA 230 series, prioritized lift and stability over razor-sharp maneuverability. That was intentional. At a time when engineers chased thinner wings for speed, Grumman went in the opposite direction. The Hellcat's wing was built for endurance. It could carry more weight, withstand greater stress, and absorb more punishment than any previous design. That meant pilots could dive harder, pull more Gs, and still return home, wings intact. Its wingspan stretched nearly 42 feet. Each wing carried 3 Browning 50 caliber machine guns, a combined 6 guns that could fire over 4,000 rounds per minute. But despite this firepower, the wing's true genius lay in how it folded. Hydraulically powered hinges at the wing root allowed the massive wings to rotate vertically, forming a distinct inverted V on the carrier deck. This design, pioneered by Grumman and perfected in the Hellcat, allowed U.S. carriers to pack 50% more fighters per sortie. It wasn't just about engineering bravado. It was strategy welded into steel, more planes on deck, more guns in the sky, more chances to turn the tide. The wing design also reduced stall speeds, letting rookie pilots land safely on swaying decks. It gave the Hellcat its famous low-speed stability, a rare trait in a high-powered fighter. In battle, it translated to